Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be going over how to connect your bank account to ZarMoney so you can pull all of your bank transactions directly into your accounting software. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, go to the top bar navigation and hover over Banking. From the drop-down, click Bank Accounts. You can select a financial bank account that you already have in ZarMoney, or you can add a new account. To connect to an account that already exists in ZarMoney, simply choose the account from the list and click on the Connect button. To set up a new connection, click Create a New Connection. You will then be invited to use Plaid to connect ZarMoney to your bank account. To do so, click Continue. Choose your bank from the list of popular banks or search from the search bar. To finish the connection, simply log into your bank account. Once you successfully sign into your bank using Plaid, you'll be redirected to ZarMoney. In ZarMoney, you'll have the option to download all available transactions that can be pulled from your bank, or transactions from a start date of, say, the beginning of this month. If you have multiple accounts with the financial institution that you signed into, you'll be able to set those up individually. Once you're finished, click Connect. ZarMoney will work on downloading these transactions in the background so you can continue working on your books. Once the transactions are downloaded, you'll be able to see them in your Match section. If you ever want to disconnect a bank account, simply click on the account that you'd like to disconnect. Choose Edit Account Info from the drop-down, and then select Disconnect Account. Confirm with the pop-up, and you're all done. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.